guys, today is going to be our first install video together. Today we are going to be installing the Mach 1 chin spoiler and a shorty antenna on Blue's Clues 2 valve. Alright guys, so our first install for today is going to be the Mach 1 chin spoiler that I got from LMR. Now that the car's jacked up, our first step is going to be, I'm going to have JZ Garage just help me hold it up and try to get it in there, and we're going to try to go around with like a marker and try to mark the spots that we need for it to be bolted up at, and I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes. Alright guys, I'm a little bit into the install now, so I'm kind of just going to update you and show you a little bit on how it's going. Guys, it's pretty simple. It's not that hard, but I'll show you a little bit of what I've done. So I send you these Christmas tree fasteners, you know, and I've just been going around these holes and drilling into the bumper to hold it up. And these 3 Christmas tree fasteners go here, one in the middle, and then one over here. And once you get those in first, everything else just kind of holds itself up. And then you get these little quick snaps that you drill for the rest of these holes. And it's not bad. The little quick snaps actually have got screws in the middle that you can screw in to really tighten them down. Alright guys, just a little update. We're finishing up here. I went around and decided to put these screws in these fasteners. I just had to drill the hole a little bit bigger to get them to fit in there, but now I'm finishing up. Like, that don't have one in there, but now they seem like they hold in a lot better. But while I'm doing that, up top, JZG is putting on an I think it's an 8-inch antenna that I bought for this car, so it'll stop looking like a freaking RC car going down the road.
That's what you need.
10mm, boys.
Been on there since 02.
On there since 02, boys. Alright guys, so the install is done, and I think that it looks great. It really helped a lot. I'll show you guys whenever the car's off jack stands, but I'm really happy with it. It's a pretty easy install. It probably took me about an hour, and this antenna looks really awesome too. Alright guys, so here is the finished product. I am super happy with it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go back to my place, get cleaned up. Me and JZG and another one of our buddies with the 5.0 Mustang are going to head up to the 42nd annual Mustang Cruising. We'll see you then.